Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix security notification on Roblox. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So by the way, the security notification looks like this. Okay? So now let's get started. So by the way, if you're receiving security notifications on Roblox, it is important to take them seriously as they could indicate potential security risks. Here are some steps you can take to address security notifications on Roblox. First, read the notification carefully. Take the time to carefully read the security notification you receive. It may provide specific details or instructions regarding the security concern. Next, change your password. If the security notification advises you to change your password, it is crucial to do so. Log into your Roblox account, go to the settings section, and find the option to change your password. Create a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. So, I'm sorry, avoid using easily guessable information like your name or birth date. Next, enable two-step verification. So, two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your Roblox account. Enable 2SV or two-step verification by going to the security section in your Roblox account settings. Follow the prompts to set it up, typically by associating a phone number or email address with your phone account with your account. Next, scan your device for malware. So security notifications may be triggered by malware or compromised software on your device. Run a comprehensive scan using a reputable antivirus or anti-malware software to check for any potential threats. Check for suspicious activity. Review your Roblox account activity to see if any unauthorized actions have been performed. Look for signs of unauthorized purchases, change settings, or unfamiliar activity. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Roblox support. And the last thing that you can do is to contact Roblox support. If the security notification persists or you require further assistance, reach out to Roblox support directly. They can provide guidance and help resolve any security related concerns you may have. Be cautious with third party sites or applications. So, sorry, this is the last one. Okay? So, be cautious with third party sites or applications. Avoid using third party websites or applications that claim to provide free Robux or cheats for Roblox. These are often scams designed to compromise your account. Stick to official Roblox platforms and exercise caution when sharing personal information or engaging with unknown sources. Remember, maintaining good security practices is essential for protecting your Roblox account. Regularly update your password, enable 2SV, and stay vigilant against phishing attempts or suspicious activities. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.